Hey besties, Marquita here. I just want to come and do a quick video before I go over the monogram cherry collection. Guys, so this is a thing. LV, they have, I'm just going to say this. They supposed to have a system in line as far as the tiered services go on these large collections. You guys know the multicolor collection was a complete mess. The first lunch and the second lunch. The cherry blossom, that was a mess as well, and it's still going to be a mess because I'm hearing about that now. And of course, the cherry collection that is rolling out May 22nd. Okay, so hear me out. I'm not sure if your CA put you on game or even if CAs even know what's going on. But this is how it's supposed to go. Of course, guys, influencers, these are the celebrities, okay? Or the large accounts of people that basically just deal with handbags. They have 200, 300 handbags in their collection. You know, they are going to get their handbags first, guys. They get their handbags before VVIC. They get their handbags before VIC because they have tons of followers. And of course, guys, that's just how business goes. That's a part of marketing. So the influencers are supposed to get one handbag, one item from these popular collections, I'm guessing moving forward. But it's always been like this, guys. Then you have your VVIC, your very, very important collection, guys. It is tiered, okay? It's tiered on how much you spend with them. All of this is about money and how much you are basically buying from the company, okay? Just like any other company, guys, I'm just being honest with you. You are always rewarded something, okay? So with LV, you are rewarded with first grabs, first picks. So this is what I am hearing. I heard they are supposed to be limiting the amount of handbags a VVIC and a VIC can purchase at one time. I'm not sure when this system goes into play, but I don't know how the VVIC and the VICs are going to act with this new tier thing, okay? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And guys, it might not even roll out probably until, what, 2026 or the cherry collection. I don't know. But I know a new tiered system is going to be rolling out, okay? So with this cherry monogram collection, the denim collection, the white monogram, just basically the cherry collection, it does depend on your CA. I tell you guys this all the time. A CA, when it comes to these popular collections, are very important. A good CA, because you can have a CA this whole entire time and find out they are really trash. We found that out with the multicolor collection, okay? They will leave you on red if you are not important to them, okay? So here it is. If you have a good CA, you should have been able to order April 24th all the way until May 4th. Even if you are not a VIC or a VVIC, guys, you can get your orders in. I'm telling you now, it just depends on your CA and how good they are and how good your track record is as far as purchasing or your relationship. You probably just purchase 2 to 3 bags a year, but if you're CA and you have a good relationship, guys, they can get your order in. So April 24th, which has already passed by, pre-orders open. So if you were able to get your pre-order in between April 24th and May 4th, guys, you should be safe as far as getting your items, okay? Now, you guys know, after that, from May 4th, all the way until May 22nd, it just depends on, you know, calling client services, trying to see if you can get in, walking in, trying to see if you basically can get into a CA. But May 22nd is the launch date. You either are going to be able to order online if items are left after the influencers, the VVICs, the VICs, and those that are close to their CAs, okay? So whatever's left, guys, that's how it goes. It's open to the world. It's open to the public on May 22nd. So I hope this helps, guys. So they are trying, like I said, to work on this tier system. I'm not sure if the CAs even know about what's going on or what's going to take place, but they are trying to implement this type of tiered service, whatever they got going on, to lower the amount of handbags VVICs and VICs can order. I'm not sure if that's a good thing, because with my business, I do reward those that do spend the most money, guys. I do. I reward for birthdays. I reward for those that just spend the most money. So I can't say anything about that with business, but I do feel that they need to just go up on manufacturing more handbags. Like, I don't see how you see what's going on. Just manufacture more handbags. Have 2 launches, separate it, give yourself some time. But you are steady coming out with these different collections, and you still have some people, I know 2 as of right now, that are still waiting since January for the multicolored collection. And you guys had the nerve to open up another launch, and you haven't shipped the January orders. So that's what I'm saying, LV, get it in line. Like, in the back office, something is going on. You guys are dropping the ball, and then you were just spitting out handbags with horrible quality because people are returning some of the multicolored collection items as well. That's why you see the return rate going up, and your CAs are contacting you. Oh, we got this in, this new shipment came in. No, they are returns, okay? So just make sure you are checking those handbags. If your CA, if they reach out to you and say, hey, we got a multicolored collection item in, just go in. You don't have to say no. And some people just didn't like the handbag when they got it. They prefer the vintage look. So when you go in and you look at the handbag, inspect it, check for those watermarks, guys. Check for those fingerprints on the handbag. Check the vachetta very, very well. Check the zipper. Check the alignment. Check under the handbag. Check the alignment under the handbag. Check the stitching. Check the tote handle. Check the hardware. Check the strap. Check the D-ring. Check everything on the handbag, even inside. Take it out of those boxes, guys, and inspect your items, okay? So now that you know about the tiered system that's supposed to be taking effect, like I said, I'm not sure if they are starting now, but I know this is something that they are trying to get together, which I honestly think they do, but I'm going to back out of it as far as the VVIC and the VIC goes. When it comes to a certain amount of items, I just think they just need to manufacture more. So I would honestly, if it was my business and I want to keep my VVICs, I would let them purchase first. Yes, I would let them purchase first. I would let them order probably like 3, guys. Let's max it, okay? 3 handbags. Let them get their SLGs, but I wouldn't want to lose those customers. Like I said, I'm a business owner as well, but I do want to honor and respect and love on my other customers. So I would give them a special treatment, guys. It's only right. So I will get their orders first, but I will also make sure I am manufacturing more handbags to please my other clients, okay? It shouldn't just hit the website, notify me status. I don't know. It shouldn't be like that, okay? Or unless they are doing that just to keep, count of who else wants the handbag, who needs the handbag. Guys, it's just so much going on behind the scenes. You guys just don't even know. But like I said, I am hoping that LV get this together. I really do, because I feel like a lot of customers, clients are turning away, and they are going to start losing CAs because, guys, it's becoming stressful for them as well. So we do have to keep them in mind, but I do think CAs need to be more firm as far as returning text messages to those clients that ask them simple questions. You never know what that client can turn into, okay? So guys, I hope this helps. I am going to go over the cherry collection. I am going to break it down. I am going to start with the monogram cherry collection, the original monogram cherry collection. And then I am going to move to the white monogram and also the denim. Okay, the entire cherry collection, but I do have to break it up so the video won't be as long. So guys, I just wanted to get this out here. I hope this helps. I hope they implement this right now. But I also hope they take care of those besties that have been waiting since December and January, even February, guys. We are going into May. So as always, guys, I will be back to break down the cherry collection. So as always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.